Hey guys, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is the evening of June the 1st, 2025. And when I was at lunch today, someone told me that a park, P-A-R-K, a park that's right near the Airbnb is having a ton of food vendors for tonight. I don't know what today's specialty is, maybe because it's Sunday, but the smell in the air is sweet, and there's some definitely some steak action going on. So normally my lane of food traffic when I travel international is pretty narrow, but something tells me I'm gonna walk over there. Something tells me that I need to maybe try something. I'll let you know how it goes. Love y'all. Bye-bye.